So here's a problem you may have, but you don't want to admit it. You have a stinky disposal. Well, don't worry. I'm going to help you fix it in 15 minutes. Now you can go to the hardware store and you can find a myriad of products that claim you can just drop it down in there, you run it around and it'll take care of the smell. And it will, but not long term. You see, all that food that goes down in that drain, it collects and it creates gunk. That's actually a real term. If I take a flashlight and a little stick in here and you look inside there, you can see all that dirt and debris that's down inside. You need to scrub and clean that out. All you need is a toilet brush and some soap, stuff you would use for the dishes. Get it wet, make sure the disposal is off, get a little hot water in there to start to loosen things up. Then you take some of the dish soap and a toilet brush like this, and go ahead and just sprinkle some of that right on the tines of the brush. It's okay, you can go a little heavy, because I want that sud. Get down inside there, and you know that rubber gasket that's actually on the disposal? You want to get up underneath it with the brush, and then start to turn it. Pull that up and you look inside there, all that dirt and debris is there. So you take that brush and you work it around, and you're gonna spend just, 30 seconds or so really scrubbing and getting it clean. Pull that out, run that water, and start to rinse it out. Rinse that brush out, and you'll see the suds come up. Turn it on, let it circulate a bit with that soap in there. It's gonna clean all the residue off the inside there, and it's gonna take care of that smell once and for all. It's that simple, and you fix it in 15 minutes.